everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super happy and excited because I want to share with you a video that has been highly requested, and it's about making my DIY cleaners. I don't only use them in my kitchen but in any surfaces to clean the windows and even to clean and polish my furniture, especially wood furniture. So I hope that you enjoy this video. So if you do, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It really helps my channel, and please consider also subscribing. I would love to have you as part of my community. So without further ado, let's make these cleaners. Alright, so first things first, you are going to need 3 glass bottles. You can definitely use plastic ones, just make sure the plastic is thick. Since we are going to be using essential oils, you don't want the oils to eat the plastic because they are that strong. So I really recommend to get the glass bottles. These ones that have the plastic sleeve at the bottom, I buy them at the Grove Collaborative. And the Grove Collaborative has many cleaning products. They also have things and items that you can use to make your own cleaners, and that's why I really love them, and I purchase from them often. So I will leave everything that I'm using today in the description box below so that you can acquire it if you want, or you can just go to a store and get your supplies. You will also need some essential oils. They are not necessary, but I really recommend that you grab some essential oils because that's what's going to give your cleaners that scent and the natural scent. So it's very important that if you want your house or your surfaces smelling clean and fresh, that you get some essential oils. Personally, I love doTERRA essential oils just because they are the purest essential oils out there in the market. I love how they are sourced, and also that they are CPTG, which means certified pure and therapeutic grade. They are 100% organic, and you can not only use them to clean your house, but you can use them in your beauty routine. You can ingest the vast majority of them. There's just a myriad of ways that you can use doTERRA essential oils, so I really do recommend that you get these ones. So many might not know, but I am a doTERRA wellness advocate. So if you have any questions or you want to acquire some of the essential oils, I will have also all the information down in the description box below. Besides these, you're going to need vinegar, olive oil, pure Castile soap, and some rubbing alcohol. So the first one, I want to start with the wood polish. As you can tell, this glass is kind of different than the ones that have the metal sleeve, just because I got these glasses over here, these spray bottles, in Amazon. So I will link them below too. My handy dandy funnel. I forgot to mention that you need some funnel and measuring cups. So we are going to use a 1/4 cup of olive oil for this one. And then the next thing is vinegar. Last but not least, we are going to use the essential oil of your preference, and I will use the lemon one, and you're going to want to add 10 drops. That is pretty much it. Now we're going to close the bottle real tightly and just shake real good. And every time you want to use it, just shake it. And I like to use microfibers, and I also get them from the Grove Collaborative. They have 3 of them in a package, and I think they are pretty affordable. But my favorite ones are the I have them right here, Norwex, the Norwex Envirocloth and the Norwex Window. I love using these. And with these ones, sometimes you can just literally just add water and a few drops of essential oil, and they work beautifully. The next cleaner we are going to be DIYing is the Granite Countertop Cleaner. I will use my lavender bottle, And it's very important to use the adequate ingredients, just because if you are adding vinegar, so like if you want to make a natural cleaner, it'll actually damage your stone more than help it. So for this one, we are going to need Castile soap and rubbing alcohol, as well as water and some essential oils. All right, 1/4 cup of alcohol, 1 tablespoon of Castile soap, 2 cups of water. I usually fill it all the way up, but for the video purpose, I'm going to do exact measurements. Alrighty. And for this recipe, I'm going to use the Green Mandarine essential oil. This one smells so good, so good. I love it. You know how else I like to use these essential oil? Just add it into my LaCroix sparkling water, and it just tastes so good. And it's also 10 drops. And that's it, you guys. Super quick. Shake. And it's done. The next cleaner is going to be the window cleaner. And for this one, we are going to need 1/3 cup of vinegar and 1/3 cup of alcohol. And then we'll just fill the rest with 2 cups. So I'm just going to eyeball it and fill it. So for this one, I'm going to use Spearmint, just because it reminds me a little bit of the Method window cleaner. I don't know if you've ever smelled it. It smells really minty and spearminty. So again, we're just going to add 10 drops. Put the lid on and shake it. And we are done. That is pretty much it. It took me literally, what, 5 minutes to make all of these cleaners. Once you have everything and you purchase everything, you can keep remaking them, and it'll be so much cheaper and healthier for you to DIY them. So that's it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Once again, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and I would love to also hear what kind of videos you want to see from me besides the organizational ones. But I will see you on my next video. Bye!